Hi lovely, welcome. I'm excited that our new living room side table is here from West Elm. We will be unboxing our new Dyson vacuum. We will do a small Target haul and undecorate, clean, and get our living room ready for Christmas decor. If you're new here, you know what to do. Now let's get to it. So lovely, I tell you, I feel like I was so lucky. This piece was the last piece. As soon as I placed my order in, it was out of stock. But I'll make sure to leave the link in my description below for you so you can keep an eye out if you really like it. I am so obsessed. This is so gorgeous, uniquely made. We always had to get out of our sofa to get a drink or a book from our coffee table. This table will definitely solve that issue and is so cute. As you see here, the base of this table is solid marble with a thin gold metal stem, which I really like because it complements our media console and all the brass finishes around our kitchen and dining area. Moving on to my Target haul, I got my girls this cute cozy rib top and legging set from the brand Cat and Jack. It comes with different color, but I went with the size that was available at that time, and burgundy, leopard, and sage green. This sets will be great for this cold weather. I love the quality, and I got me this set of socks, black socks, and the teddy bear reversible throw blanket is from the brand Threshold, and it comes with two colors, which are ivory and chestnut. I saw the ivory and I snatched it right away. I love it. Great quality. It's also out of stock. However, I would strongly suggest for you to go to your nearest Target to see if they have some, because sometimes it says it's out of stock online, then you will find it when you go in the store in person. So it is worth to shoot your shot. Our previous Dyson V10 needed to retire and was beyond its warranty years. Because of that, we went ahead and got Dyson V11 with 5 years warranty. Dyson products are amazing, and I can see us using this vacuum for many years to come. This was my fall decor, already undecorated, and stored it in this storage bin, and we'll be moving on to cleaning our living room to get it ready for Christmas decor. I know it's a bit early, but I wanted to give you some ideas ahead of time so you can shop before things get sold out when it is closer to Christmas. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. Some of you have been asking me how our cloth sofa been holding up with kids, and it's holding up great. We have blankets dedicated for our sofa for when kids want to sit on it and have popcorn and drinks. And also we covered it during summer because they go outside to play and bring dirt in. So far it's working out perfect for us, and our girls are so used to it. I forgot to film it for you, but we actually took all the sofa covers off and washed it a few days ago and put back. It's a little bit wrinkled, and our steamer here will take care of that. You can see the difference here. This steamer does wonders. If you are looking for one, I recommend this brand. Right after I bought mine, they came out with another newer version. So I'll make sure to link both in my description below for you. Done with cleaning, and our living room is ready for Christmas decor. Trying to decide here which side to place our new side table, and finally went with placing it on the right side and our ottoman on the left. That was it for today, lovely. Tune in for my Christmas shopping haul and decorating video coming up in a few days. Until I see you on my next one, this is Ethiopia saying goodbye.
What